Hamsters are small rodents, usually around 10 to 15 centimeters long. One distinctive feature of hamsters is their expandable cheeks, and they are more active during the night. They are skilled at creating comfortable and safe nests, and their teeth continuously grow throughout their lives. Hamsters have a rapid breeding ability and can produce several litters of offspring in 1 year. Hamster wheels are popular toys for them to exercise and expend energy. Hamsters can regulate their body temperature, enabling them to live in more extreme environments.